Hi, my name is Amy Cutler. I'm the Director of Student Health Services at the Health Center on campus, and I'm here to talk with you today about things that you can do to get ready for the fall. There are important health forms that are required. You can find out more about which forms are required and why on the Health Center website at whitworth.edu/health center. And there's a very important thing to note is that there are 2 required vaccinations, meningococcal, ACWY, and measles, mumps, rubella. So be sure to pay attention to those parts of the forms. If you have any questions, you can call the Health Center at 509-777-3259 or email us at healthcenter@whitworth.edu. Our administrative summer office hours are Monday through Wednesday, 9:30 to 12:30. Students can call the Health Center directly to schedule an appointment with an advanced registered nurse practitioner or a registered nurse. All appointments this year at the Health Center will be by appointment only. There will not be walk-ins available due to the health and safety needs surrounding COVID-19. We will need to accommodate for physical distancing and screening protocols. So please expect when you come to the Health Center that you will be asked some symptom questions pertaining to COVID-19, and you will have your temperature checked as well. There are a lot of different services that are included under the health and wellness fee, including visits with one of our clinical providers for injuries or illnesses. You can also have the cost of basic lab tests and basic x-rays covered at the discretion of the nurse practitioner. And there are some other things, including medical transportation for non-life-threatening needs that are included. We do not bill insurance for the services that we provide you. If you have questions about what types of services or tests we cover, please give us a call. There are certain services that are not provided at the Health Center. For students who are injured on the job or in a car accident, they need to be seen at an urgent care or an emergency room. If students need prescription vision services or dental care, we're not able to provide that, but we'd be happy to give you referral information for providers in the community. We are unable to diagnose or treat attention deficit disorder or similar disorders at the Health Center. So if you have questions about where to receive care for this, we can provide you with a list of referral options. Lastly, we do not perform allergy shots at the Health Center. If you need a list of allergy providers in our community, please reach out to the Health Center. Flu shots are definitely recommended for every student. Plan to get yours as early as you can in the fall. Whitworth will provide some opportunities for students to get their flu shots. It's especially important this year since COVID-19 and the flu have similar symptoms. We know it's important to reduce the number of respiratory infections in our community. We strongly recommend that all students have a health insurance policy that is valid and accessible in Washington State. This is because when the Health Center is closed, you want to be able to access routine, urgent, and emergency medical care in the community. There are certain health-related items we suggest you bring with you to campus. A cloth face mask, more than one is preferable, a thermometer, disinfectant wipes or disinfectant spray, hand sanitizer, and any prescription medications, supplements, vitamins, or over-the-counter medications that you need on a regular basis. There are lots of ways to stay safe and healthy in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic. We recommend that you plan on physical distancing being incorporated into your everyday social activities. In addition, wear a cloth face covering or mask. Regularly wash your hands or use hand sanitizer when hand washing is unavailable. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Regularly clean and disinfect high-touch areas and personal items. When you're sick, be sure to stay in your res hall room, or if you live off campus, in your apartment or your house. This will help keep others from getting sick. In addition to Health Center services, Whitworth University has partnerships with local laboratories and healthcare providers in the community to ensure access to care and testing when needed. To stay up to date, we are working on some specific frequently asked questions for students, parents, and families that you will be able to find on the Whitworth Flex webpage. You can also find the latest information about the university's coronavirus preparations on this page. We're very excited to welcome those of you who are new and to welcome back all of our returning students. See you soon!